Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make the prasadams for the festival and puja. First we make the pulihora. I have shown you various types of pulihora or tamarind rice. Today we'll see this type how to make. Here I have cooked 1 cup of rice with about 2 cups of water. Spread the rice out in a bowl. Add some turmeric powder and also some oil to it. We prefer to use till oil. You can use even groundnut oil, no problem. And mix it very well and keep this aside. For this, we have to make a powder by dry roasting some ingredients. Here I have methi seeds, black pepper, coriander seeds, white till or sesame seeds and mustard. We'll dry roast all of them together. When the methi seeds are well roasted and all the other mustard, everything is roasted also, remove it. Take it out on your blender jar and when cool, we'll make it into a powder. Here I have soaked a large lemon size ball of tamarind and we'll just extract the thick tamarind juice. Our tamarind extract is ready. We'll keep it aside. Next we'll do the tempering also and keep ready. So for this you can take about 3 tablespoons of oil. Add mustard seeds, Urad dal, Channa dal, groundnuts, some dry red chillies, little bit of hing, add some curry leaves. When all the dals are well brown, switch it off and pour it on this prepared rice. Next, just take 1 tablespoon of oil, add some curry leaves to it, a few green chillies, a pinch of haldi, and then add this thick tamarind extract to it. Add salt and allow this to boil well till it cooks and also reduces in consistency and becomes like a thick paste. It is boiling well now and reducing in consistency. Now we can add a small piece of jaggery to this and allow it to cook a little more till it is still more thick. See, it has thickened very well and reduced in volume. Look at the consistency now. It's almost like a paste. Now you can switch this off. Add this to this rice. Now mix everything very together. This masala powder which we blend it to a coarse powder like this. This is also ready. Add it. Again mix everything well together. Our first prasadam, pulihora, is now ready. Next we will make sweet appams for prasadam. Today I am going to use this Rava, Shoji or semolina, the regular Bombay Rava which you use for upma, that only I have taken. So for this you take equal quantities of Jaggery and Rava. So I have taken, this is half a cup measure. half a cup of jaggery and add half cup water to this. We'll allow the jaggery to melt and then filter it. See, the jaggery has dissolved well in the water. You no need to wait for any syrup stage, just if it dissolves, that is enough. Switch it off and we'll just filter it to remove any impurities. Now I am adding this rava to this, rava or Shoji as you call it. Also a little bit of cardamom powder. Mix it well. Here I have about 1 tablespoon of wheat flour atta. This is fresh grated coconut. This is optional. If you have, you can add. It adds a good taste to it. You can add about 1 or 2 tablespoons and mix everything well together. Cover it and keep it aside for 10 minutes. See, our appam rava has soaked up most of the water and this should be the consistency. We'll heat an appam pan and pour a little bit of ghee in each mold. Now pour out spoonfuls into each mold like this. Flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now when it is done on one side, carefully turn it over like this so that it cooks on the other side too. Just add a drop of ghee. Cook on the other side also. To check if it is done, you can just see that no batter should stick to it. When it is done, well done on the other side also, we can remove it like this. We have got 11 appams of this size with this quantity of batter. Now we are ready to make our third prasadam, that is vada. For that I had taken 1 cup of urad dal, soaked it for about 3 hours, drained the water and ground it to a soft and fluffy paste. Now to this we can add salt, I have coarsely crushed some black pepper and jeera in this. Add it. Little bit of grated ginger and a few green chillies, curry leaves. Mix all these well together. See the consistency of the batter. It should not be watery. If there is too much water in your batter, it will absorb a lot of oil and frying. I am also adding a little bit of hing or asafoetida to this. Now addition of hing, green chilies, pepper, these vary from tradition. Some people don't use green chilies, some people don't use hing in prasadam. So please adjust according to your family custom. We have kept the oil for frying the vadas. Vada also I have shown you during many festival recipes and different methods of making, easy methods. Today again a new and easy way of making this, especially for beginners. Today I am going to use this paper. This is called as Eco Bake. I will give you the link in my description box. I find it very useful for making the vadas. So normally I make just using my fingers, but for beginners you can just take a small piece of paper, cut it to this size, just wet it with a little water. Take a ball of this batter, dip your hands in water, Press it with your wet fingers. Make a hole in the center and just slide it into the oil. So especially in places where we don't have access to banana leaf, some people like to make it on a banana leaf too. So in those cases we can use this paper. It is very handy and convenient. It just slides off easily. Gently flip it over and cook the other side too. When they are nicely fried to a nice reddish golden color, drain it out from the oil. Gently slide it into that. This is my regular method of making. See, all our vadas are now fried and ready. I have not added any soda, but still see the crispiness. That's how crisp they are. And they are not oily either, because we have taken care not to add too much water while grinding. These can be made for any festival, whether it's Varalakshmi Pooja or for Ganesh Chaturthi or for Navratri. These are the basic recipes. So our prasadams are now ready. Simple and easy prasadams which you can easily prepare at home. Prasadam pulihora, sweet Rava Appam and vada. So wish you all a very happy festival too. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting recipe from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.